It is fall season, but this recipe is perfect for any time of the year. These are oven roasted sweet potatoes, and they are so good and delicious. You need to try this recipe. It is so simple. Hello and a warm welcome to our channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I will also be posting the ingredients in the description box below, as well as other useful links. Let's get started. I have prepared a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and I have chopped 3 medium-sized sweet potatoes in about 1-inch chunks. If you cut them bigger, they might take a little longer to bake and be fully cooked. Next, I'm going to drizzle them with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'll give them a gentle mix until all of the pieces are well coated with the oil. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of powdered onion, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of dry parsley flakes, and 2 teaspoons of salt, and I like to use sea salt. If you want to use less salt, you can add just 1 teaspoon, and finally ground black pepper to taste. I have washed my hands, and now it's time to mix all that together, making sure that all of the pieces are well coated. And they are ready for the next step. Now I'm going to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's time to add the pieces to the baking tray. I like to space them out well, ensuring that they are not on top of each other. And now into the oven. I'm going to be baking them for a total of 35 minutes. Halfway into the baking, I'm going to gently slide the tray out and turn the pieces with a spatula. And after full 35 minutes of baking, the sweet potato pieces are ready. The aroma right now in my kitchen is spectacular. They have a delicate crust on the outside, and the inside is super creamy and delicious. They go perfect as a side dish or just as a snack. And once you start eating them, you just can't stop. The touch of cinnamon and brown sugar accentuates the taste of the sweet potato, making it irresistible. And you can even add some pieces to your salads to give it a unique taste. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with somebody who might enjoy making this recipe. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a fabulous and very blessed day.